10 hair loss facts 90% of people don't know. Hair loss. The daily norm. It's normal to lose 50 to 100 hairs every day. This is part of the natural hair cycle. Don't panic. It's not permanent. Stress and hair are connected. Extreme stress can cause temporary hair loss. Conditions like alopecia areata or telogen effluvium may occur. Relaxation isn't just good for your mind, but for your hair too. Hair is dead, but not its roots. The visible part of your hair is made of dead keratin cells. However, the roots in your scalp are very much alive. That's why haircuts don't hurt. Washing won't cause baldness. Shampooing doesn't make you lose hair. The hair you see in the drain was already shed naturally. Clean hair promotes a healthier scalp. Blame your genes, not your hat. Male pattern baldness is often linked to genetics. It's more likely inherited from your mother's side. And no, wearing hats doesn't make it worse. Adjust shampoo frequency after 40. After 40, your scalp produces less natural oil. Washing your hair less often can help keep it moisturized. Too much washing can dry out your scalp. Nutrition. A key to healthy hair. Vitamins like D, iron, zinc, and protein are essential for hair growth. A balanced diet can make a big difference. Healthy hair starts from within. Hair grows about 1.25 centimeters monthly. On average, hair grows about 0.4 millimeters per day. That adds up to around 1.25 centimeters each month. Patience is key when waiting for it to grow. Your hair shares DNA with your nails. Hair and nails are made of the same protein, keratin. Caring for your hair also benefits your nails. It's a 2-for-1 beauty deal. Scalp massages actually work. Regular scalp massages can improve blood flow. Better circulation helps deliver nutrients to your hair follicles. Plus, it's a relaxing way to boost hair health. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them.